G'day everyone, it's Matt Dawn from Lawn Porn. Get your lawn on. Today is a very special day because today is the first birthday of this front lawn. So if you're following the program, we're going to do that. I've got 70 mils launch for balanced NPK feed and kelp for the root zone. And I've also got some root builder kelp in there to really pump this root zone. Tomorrow I'm going to go get myself some sand from Garden Grove. That's the Lawn Porn top dress. It's a beautiful sand with gypsum added to adapt it to your native surface. So it is a really great product. And you'll see that when I do my reno. I'll do my reno and of course I'll share that on Lawn Porn. This grass is looking fabulous for a year-old birthday. Probably needs a cut, but I'm not going to worry about that today. I'm just going to get the product down because I want that product in to really help it along. And this is going to help make the renovation bounce back from the renovation much quicker because those nutrients are within the plant. All right, let's do this.
These applications at this time of year are strategic. Remember that last week we did the 4 seasons, and that is the backbone to really help it jump out of the ground once we do the renovation in a few weeks. But today and also next week, what we're going to be doing is a launch and root builder combination. Launch is a balanced NPK, which will give it everything that the plant needs. Plus it's got kelp for the root zone, and root builder that will also continue to prepare the root zone for the very tough task of the renovation, which goes right into the ground and gets rid of all the grass and gets top dressed over. So it's quite hard on the grass, and that's why these applications are just so necessary. And it also gets your plant used to foliar feeding for future applications when you're going to do that after your renovation. So all good there.
Wow, it is so bright and sunny today. I should have worn my sunglasses. But look, that application is done. So a few things about liquids. Liquids work really quickly. That's what's really good about them. And you don't have to water them in. So that's another great thing about it as well. So once you've sprayed it down, that's all you got to do. In regards to mowing, I'd leave that a day before you mow your next mow. At least just let that get into the system and get settled. But that's application there, that's got that for the next 2 weeks. It's to simply get that goodness into the plant, and it'll be great for the renovation following after because it'll jump out of the ground quite a lot better. Remember that the week before we did the 4 seasons, so that's working in the background as well. So that's all good. So a few things for the channel. I just want to announce, got a couple of mowers got a couple of robotic mowers that I'm going to be reviewing in the future. I've also got an EV car that I'm going to review, which is a bit of an odd one. It's not really a lawn thing, but I've been offered a car to review for 6 weeks. And when I told them, I said, look, I'm not an automotive reviewer. They just went, well, you know, they want to expand their audience a bit. So whatever, I'll give it a go. And also, I'm going to be trying out iron cutter. I haven't made the area for it yet, but I'll do that. Now, they're iron cutter in an SA, so if you want to jump the gun and get that and you've done your own research and everything else, just inquire with Garden Grove because that's the people that made the contact for me. So I think maybe they might be an agent for them or something. I'm not exactly sure, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, iron cutter, it's now available in SA, so I'm going to give it a try and a review and see how it goes and see how it compares to the Tiff Tuff, especially good for you guys and girls that want to look at the lawn and you go, oh, I want Tiff Tuff or I want some other cooch. This will be a good channel to follow, so be sure to like and subscribe and do all that. Anyway, happy first birthday for this lawn. Get your lawn on and we'll see you in the next one.